What does innovation look like? What does above and beyond look like? What does a true partner look like? At Concurrent Technologies Corporation, we see it every day. In our experts who are personally invested in creating customized full lifecycle solutions. In our independent nonprofit status that enables us to apply scientific research and development focused solely on client needs. In our collaboration with technology transition affiliate Enterprise Ventures Corporation as we advance engineering and manufacturing, information technology, readiness solutions, and energy resilience and sustainability. Our sights are set high because our technologies help safeguard national security, retain U.S. technological advantage, and ensure the primacy of American manufacturing. Our culture and mission are visible every day, from creating high-tech innovations to contributing to the communities where we live and work. At CTC, we make the world safer and more productive.